Hello, welcome to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this tough time. Your pal is back with another video. So today I tried to create a very easy peasy look. So you can see this is the look I have created. So it's not a fully smoky eyes look, not at all. So I've tried to make this look very simple and try to break down things for you. So this look you can carry out when you're going out, like you're shopping, or you're going for a lunch with your friends or family anywhere. So you can carry out this look very easily. It might look very glam and very decked up, but guys, trust me, I've tried to keep it very simple. So before going to the look, I'm gonna take a moment of yours. I'm gonna remind you something. Guys, if you haven't liked my video, go and just click this thumbs up button, and after that you will get a subscribe button. So if you're new to this channel, go and subscribe to my channel, and after that you will press the bell button so that you get notification when I post a video. So now let's not waste much time and get into the video. So I've tied my hair. Make sure you have tied your hair. After that, what I've tried to make it as a chit chat video. So I'm taking my plum. It's a combination skin type. So I'm taking my plum toner. Then I will apply it on my face. Make sure you cover up you just dab it. You can apply it with cotton also, but I prefer to use my hand, and also make sure that your hands are clean. So make sure you do your skincare first, like it's very important before doing the makeup. So you have to wash your face, uske baad toner lagao, then uske baad I am applying this Good Vibes Rose Toner, Rosehip. This is one of my favorite products from Good Vibes. It has a very beautiful smell, you know. If you don't have a primer na, so if you apply this, तो वो primer का भी काम कर जाता है. So after that, I am applying a moisturizer. So I am applying this Kaya moisturizer. What I do is that I mix it with my foundation, like. So I am using this Wet n Wild foundation. So I am making my look a very like glowy type of makeup look. So I don't want कि ज़्यादा foundation लगे. So what I do, I mix it in your hands. This is a dry foundation, you know. It's not so much dry like Fit Me, but ये Fit Me से थोड़ा कम dry है. So you apply it on your face. I'm using my fingers, and today I'm not using any beauty blender. So what I like about this moisturizer is that it will give you a sheer coverage, like it has a pinky glow kind of thing. So there are so many people who मतलब बहुत जने हैं जिनको foundation पूरा एकदम लगाना पसंद नहीं है, and daily base like office में उनको जाना है तो ज़्यादा foundation नहीं लगाना चाहते हैं, तो उनके लिए this is perfect. So make sure you dab your foundation, you don't rub it. तो क्या होगा ना, वो बहुत केकी हो जाएगा और वो निकलने लगेगा. So this I have bought from Tijori. So how many of you know it? I don't know, but Tijori is an Indian brand. जैसे कि Myntra है, तो वैसे ही Tijori एक ऐप है. So I will be adding my illuminator. So मैंने foundation के साथ illuminator लगाना भूल गया. So I am applying this is my NYX illuminator. So ये क्या होगा ना, तो आपकी स्किन बहुत मतलब ग्लोई दिखेगा with it. I am taking this much. So it's a pinkish type of illuminator. It's yes. So this is little costly. You will get सस्ता वाला also. सस्ता बहुत अच्छा है. I have a Swiss Beauty one also. I will show it in some other video. तो आज मुझे लगा कि मेरे सामने में यही रखा हुआ था, तो I thought of using this. So this you can add as a highlighter also. So after that I will be using compact powder from Nykaa. So my shade is rose beige. So those who are of my shade, so they can go for rose beige. So I always like this rose tone color. Like मुझे पता नहीं फाउंडेशन वगैरह सब में रोज टोन सा मुझे अच्छा लगता है. बहुत जन को येलो टोन अच्छा लगता है, बहुत जन को वार्म टोन से अच्छा लगता है. मुझे थोड़ा पिंकिश टाइप का जिसमें हो, मुझे वो अच्छा लगता है. आई एम यूजिंग दिस फ्लफी ब्रश. आई विल डैब एक्सेस एंड देन also make sure that you cover up your neck, like wherever it's like showing up. तो मैं सबसे पहले अपना फेस कर ले रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट डूइंग माई आईज बिकॉज यहाँ फॉल आउट ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस. इट इज़ अ कॉन्टोर प्लस हाईलाइट प्लस हाईलाइट प्लस कॉन्टोर प्लस ब्लश पैलेट फ्रॉम शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स. And the shade is Vivid the Force. I am just not at all satisfied with the contour shade because look, it is not at all dark. Like, see. So इससे contour वगैरह तो नहीं होगा, but या थोड़ा सा you know, यदि आप high coverage foundation लगाते हो, if you are applying a high coverage foundation, तो क्या होता है, आपका face बहुत flat लगने लगता है. In that scenario, तो आप इसको लाइक थोड़ा सा ऊपर यू कुड डैब इट, तो थोड़ा फ्लैट वो नहीं लगेगा, तो थोड़ा वार्मथ आएगा. सो नाउ यू कैन सी द ब्लश. लाइक ज़्यादा भी नहीं है, कम भी नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि एकदम क्लाउन की तरह यू लुक लाइक. नाउ व्हाट यू डू कि मैं थोड़ा ब्रॉन्जर लूंगी. दिस इज द डार्केस्ट शेड, आई डोंट नो. सो आई विल टेक दिस ब्रश. आई थिंक ऐसा फ्लैट ब्रश ले लो. इसके तरह ना एक फ्लैट ब्रश आता है, लाइक वेरी चिजल्ड आउट रहता है. यू विल गेट इन वेट एंड वाइन एंड वाइशी का ये ब्रश आपको पता होगा, एंड यू कैन परचेज इट. लाइक आई डोंट हैव, सो आई एम डूइंग इट विद दिस. मैं ज़्यादा कॉन्टूरिंग वगैरह नहीं करूँगी, जस्ट टू गिव अ लिटिल डायमेंशन टू योर फेस. मेक श्योर यू मेकअप आउट. ये जो आ रहा है ना, यहीं पर करना. So for contouring my nose, what I do is that, so what I do, I take this. Now I will be applying a highlighter from the same palette. Also I will highlight, like taking a flat brush, so I will highlight the brow bone. आईब्रो नहीं बनाया मैंने, but I will do it. Now what I will do my eyebrows. So for that I am using my Sugar eyebrow pencil. The shade is Cherry Brown. It's a 3-in-1. It has been newly launched. So affordable. If you ask me what you like, then I will tell you the Innisfree one I love it. So you know कि मेरे जितने भी मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल है, मैं उसमें अभी तक मैं Innisfree का ही यूज़ करती हूँ. I have the Wet n Wild also, but जब से मेरे पास Innisfree आया तब से मैं और Wet n Wild को थोड़ा सेटबैक रख दी हूँ. But I will be using it because मुझे वो पसंद है. While you do it, सबसे पहले आप इसको कोम कर लो. So I want to keep my eyebrows long, like long. मुझे long पसंद है. Okay, fine. Now see how different they look. Oh my God. So मैं दूसरा eyes में भी I will do it the same. So now what we will do is our eyes. So for the eyes I am using this palette from Sugar. The same palette is the color number 2. It's a warrior color. So मैं normal primer use कर रही हूँ. सबसे पहले make sure कि आप अपने eyes में primer लगा लो. So you don't have to buy a different separate eye primer. कभी नहीं. After that what I do is I apply my foundation. So if you have concealer, so then it's good. But today I'm not using any concealer. So you apply a so that कि वो कलर जो है वो पॉप अप करे, like the color which you are applying will ना थोड़ा pops out करता है. तो I will be applying the compact so that कि वो मेरा जो मतलब crease ना हो. So I'm using a fluffy brush. Whenever you apply a concealer, आप याद रखो कि you apply a compact or a loose powder so that कि वो crease ना करे. So with a flat brush, I'm taking a flat brush and I will be taking this shade. After that, what I will do is that I will take this shade. You can see a brown shade. I will be using this shade. I will be applying in a crease line. So मैंने आपको बताया crease line क्या है अपने पहले videos में. If you haven't watched my videos, तो go and watch my previous video. मैंने बताया crease line क्या है. फिर भी मैं बता देती हूँ. When you open your eyes और आप जब वहाँ पर एक line देखते हो, that is your crease line. Guys, one more thing I want to tell you that कि मैं कोई makeup artist नहीं, and I'm not a pro. Like I'm also learning. I'm also like trying. Practice कर रही हूँ. So this is how I am doing it. I am learning it. I am making mistakes, but I am loving the process, right? So I am using this darker shade क्योंकि मेरे eyes में वो depth create होगा. So now what I will do is that I will apply this black color. So I am taking a flat brush. तो मैं अपने outer corner as well as inner corner में लगाऊंगी like. और मैं middle portion I will leave it. Same thing I will do it in this eye also. So what you have to do is that you have to apply it in a inner corner as well as outer corner, creating a V. यही कलर को you will थोड़ा अपने lower lash line में you take it. So see I have मैंने कोई सेलोटेप नहीं लगाया है but फिर भी how sharp it is. See. So try to have a flat brush. तो flat brush से क्या होता है ना, you will get that cleaner, you know, cleaner आपको ये look दिखेगा. So now what we will do is that in the middle portion हम थोड़ा सा concealer लगा लेंगे, थोड़ा सा cut crease करेंगे. क्यों वो मैं बताऊंगी आपको. थोड़ा सा cut crease करेंगे. I am taking a small flat brush. So now what I will do, you see this grey shade. ये grey shade हम यहाँ अप्लाई करेंगे. उससे पहले हम एक कॉम्पैक्ट लगाएंगे, लाइक जहाँ पर मेरा कट क्रीज है तो उस जगह पे थोड़ा कॉम्पैक्ट लगाएंगे. मेक श्योर वो थोड़ा सेट हो जाए. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू अप्लाई द कॉम्पैक्ट इन योर कट क्रीज एरिया. ओके, ऑलवेज भूलना नहीं. सेट होके रहेगा आपका कलर्स. हम ब्लेंड करेंगे सारे कलर्स को. डोंट थिंक दैट कि मैं ब्लेंड नहीं करूंगी. आई विल ब्लेंड इट. सी व्हाट आई एम क्रिएटिंग. मैं अपने हाथ ही यूज करी. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी. सो अब मैं सारे कलर्स को ब्लेंड करूंगी. विद द फ्लफी ब्रश आई विल ब्लेंड ऑल द कलर्स देन. So if you think that कि आपका जो ऊपर का ट्रांजिशन कलर है वो थोड़ा फेड ऑफ हो गया, then you take this color, this brown shade. So now what I will do is that जो excess है मेरा, so like जो fallout है, I will clean it. कैसे क्लीन करूंगी? कॉम्पैक्ट लूंगी. So now what I will do, I will apply a पतला eyeliner. ज़्यादा मोटा eyeliner नहीं लगाऊंगी. I will apply. So I am using ITEX Dazzler eyeliner. Trust me guys, ये बहुत अच्छा है. इसका जो wand है वो बहुत पतला है, इसीलिए मैं बार बार see how thin it is. So that's why I like to use this. Now what I am doing is that I am taking this shade, this brown shade, थोड़ा अपने lower lash line में I am applying it. That I have completed my eye makeup. So after that I am applying my lipstick. So I will be using a mauvish kind of color, because with a smoky eyes, with a dark eyes, always go little light with your lips. Eyes बहुत dark, lips बहुत dark will not go. Like मुझे जैसे लगता है कि eyes बहुत dark, lips भी बहुत dark. So that, और जब ये, क्योंकि this look I am just creating for the morning time, कभी lunch में गए, कभी mall में shopping करने गए, तो थोड़ा सा makeup कर लिए like this. So you can carry it out anywhere. It's a mulberry feast from Lakme. So I'm not applying any lip liner. जो excess है, you can apply it on your cheeks. So now I am taking this shade from Suave Mauve from Sugar mini lipstick. So I will apply it in the middle. Now for setting my face, I am applying this primer water. You can apply it as a primer, you can apply it for setting a face. So what I will do is that I will cover up my eyes. Do you think that something is missing out? Yes, kajal and mascara. So for kajal, तो मैं ज़्यादा I will not, क्योंकि ये smoky eyes है, तो मैं ज़्यादा kajal I will not apply. Just a thin waterline में I will apply it. So I am using this Lakme kajal. अपर जो वाटर लाइन है उसमें भी आप उसको लाइन करना मत भूलो. So I like to line my upper. Then I am using this mascara from Wet n Wild. Guys, I am telling you, Wet n Wild are very good with their cosmetics. सब cosmetics उनका अच्छा है, except I don't like their contour powder at all. So now I will apply this mascara. So guys, trust me, Wet n Wild are good with their cosmetics. While you are applying, open your eyes wide, look up. So I will suggest you ki always add a neck piece, a choker type of kind of thing to your plain top. See, look at my top. This is a very like plain top. So with that I have carried out this bohemian kind of choker. So what it will add that statement to your look, like it will enhance your look much. So I will suggest you don't wear anything in your ears. If you are wearing anything in your ears, don't wear anything on your neck. Try to wear less accessories as much as possible. So friends, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like, followed by subscribe, comment and share my video as much as possible. Bye.